The whole body is carbon fiber on this. There's only 300 of these in the entire world. All right, guys, we made it. Let's start walking up to the event because we had to park a little bit away from it because there's a lot of people. It's a very short walk, so we can just walk up there. Memories right there's memories. It's VJ. Hey! Oh shoot, dude, you almost hit him. You blew the red light! Dude, he's got the escort. Hey!
Don't miss up on the whole road.
What's up? Hey! Dude, let's go. What's up? Dude, the ski box, that's sick! Oh shit! Dude, that's sick! That's twin turbo. Dude!
It's one of the best cars to just film out of because do it again! Thanks for coming out.
Thank you. A sick Pagani here. The whole body is carbon fiber on this. Dude, guys, this is sick. Check out that. And this Pagani, wow. It happens. That is sick. Something about that STO parked over there just looks so cool. Alright guys, this is a Jaguar XE Project 8 and there's only 300 of these in the entire world. This thing is super sick. Look at the way the fender, the quarter panel back there just bulges out and the big wing in the back, that's super sick. There's only 300 of these on the entire planet. This is just an epic find right here. This is a sweet car. Parts of the wing are carbon. This looks sick. Black Series, that's sick. I would bring a Volkswagen on the rally. Oh wait, never mind. Check out this hood. This has to be like fiberglass or carbon or something. This is obviously aftermarket. Yep, that's carbon. Guys, all these cars, they came about 6 hours away. So you stand next to any of the engines of any of these cars, you're gonna get a big heat wave coming at you because these things are really hot right now. Check out these rotors and brakes. Those things are massive. All right, guys, take a look at all these amazing cars we got here. The detailers are detailing some of the cars over there. But my favorite car in this whole rally, it has to be the full carbon body 720S. That is just sick. And number 2 is probably the Bugatti. But that carbon 720, that is so sick. Let's check it out one more time. The entire body is carbon. Got a roof scoop on it. Whole thing is carbon. The spoiler. That diffuser is so sick. And there's some writing in there too. But check out how low this car sits to the ground. And I just love all the liveries everybody put on their cars. They all just stand out so much from one another. These are sick. Like that green 720 right back there, and then the Audi R8 next to it, super sick. Like I just love all these cars here. And this right here, SLS AMG. These cars have the gull-wing doors that go straight up in the air. These things are sick, and there's 2 of them on this rally. Guys, this is a 720S Enlargo, or Enlargo, however you say it. I'm gonna call it Enlargo, but check this body kit out. Super sick. These wheels. The kit they put on this car is sick. Look at that rear bumper. There's nothing like that V8 sound that these engines back here produce. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna do some more crazy stuff rebuilding the Camaro, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.